Hola, chicas malas. Welcome back to another makeup session where we turn up the citrus vibe and turn heads. So let's dive into this tangerine dream that's about to go down. I'm doing a tangerine makeup tutorial today. So this look is going to be inspired by more of the oozlang makeup style. I just like the Asian style of makeup better because I just feel like it looks really good on my face. But step one is tangerine eyeshadow, but make it vibey. So I'm going to start with a soft orange base all over the lid. I'm talking like a juicy tangerine sunset. Oh, you know what? I should do sunset blush with this look too. But you can use a fluffy brush to blend it out or your finger so you look like a summer goddess. Not like you got punched in the eye. You want to look like a summer goddess, like you're just walking around in fields of peaches. This is kind of like a tangerine peach makeup look. Next, you can grab a shimmery tangerine or sparkly peach colored foil eyeshadow. We want this to be shiny, okay? I want this eyeshadow to shine brighter than my future. So you want to tap it onto your lids. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just tapping it onto my lids. I'm just kind of blending it in so it's smooth and flawless. Step two is to take a warm golden orangey shade and pop that on the inner corner of your eyes. That's what I'm going to do here. I want my eyes to be like glowing, okay? Like I want my eyes to shine brighter than the sun. So I want to blend it into the tangerine shade for a seamless transition. Step three is going to be my tangerine blush. It's time to bring in the blush, but not the natural blush. Nope, we are going full on tangerine. So grab your favorite orange color. I like to swap out eyeshadows and double them as blushes and lip colors because that's how I pan my eyeshadows. You know how a lot of people have eyeshadows and like they never use them, they just let them collect dust in their cabinet? I like to use my eyeshadows and create a blush out of them. So you can mix this with your blush if you don't have an orange blush. Just mix a little bit of your eyeshadow in there and put that powder on your cheeks because if it's safe enough to go on your eyes, it is safe enough to go on your cheeks, or at least in my case. I've never had any problems with this. So grab your favorite orange blush, apply it to the apples of your cheek, and then you can blend it back towards your temples for more of that look like you just got back from a tropical island. Bonus points if you swipe a little blush across your nose. That's what I'm going to be doing, so it'll look like I've been basking in the sun for days. It's going to give me a nice tan glow. So next I'm going to grab a champagne or a golden highlighter and just swipe it across my cheekbones, cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose. I want to glow like I am a highlighter in human form. Now it's time to bring it all together with the perfect tangerine lip. So I'm going to do a soft, glossy orange lip tint, and I'm going to show you really quickly how I make my own lip colors out of eyeshadow. So I just pick my favorite eyeshadow color, and I'm going to use my hand as the palette. So I'm going to put a little bit of Vaseline or my favorite clear gloss, whatever lip gloss color I want. I can put that on my hand, just a dot of it, and then I'm going to take the color and start to blend it in with a brush, or you can blend it in with your finger if you don't have any brushes, because everybody doesn't have time to buy 50-11 brushes, okay? So I'm just going to blend that in. And then I'm going to go with a soft, glossy orange lip tint. That's what I just created just now. And I'm going to put that on my lip just so it looks very juicy, like a tangerine or like a peach. And if you want, you could also overline your lips. You can do a lip liner. I don't tend to do lip liners. I just do the brush and I just kind of swoop it across the outline of my lips. Step 6 is the setting spray. I'm going to finish off this look and give my face a spritz and let that set. That way I can dance through the day, or I can just sit on the couch and do nothing, and boom! I am now a living, breathing, peach-flavored goddess with a slight touch of tangerine. I am ready to glow. I'm ready to slay. If you try this makeup look, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Blaxican Baddie. You can actually follow me over there too. And stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!